we're about to hit the road. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning.
West Virginia, Alabama.
This is what happens when you move yourself. It's fun, it's a great exercise, and you get to build a stronger bond with your spouse. Arguing back and forth about what should go in the truck and what should go in the dumpster. It's pretty cool, man. But tomorrow, I'm gonna leave out early in the morning after packing the truck up, because this truck is so slouchy, man. This is so slow. But we're gonna get there. I'm gonna show you what Alabama looks like, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, let me show you what we've been up to yesterday. For my new subscribers who have no idea on what's going on in this video, let me give you the rundown real quick. So last year, I applied to become an army pilot while I was a wheel vehicle mechanic, but didn't get picked up until this year, March. So now I have to pack my stuff up and move to Alabama, where I'll start my flight training to become a pilot. So now we have more than enough space so we can move the stuff from out the house to the garage. So as soon as the truck comes, straight up into the truck. If you all haven't seen my prior videos, go check it out. You guys will have a better understanding of what's going on. Moving in the military. Moving in the military is a big one. But if you plan to stay in the military for a very long time, you have to get comfortable with moving. Moving can really be hard on military spouse. They have to change jobs every so often. They probably meet colleagues that they're, really close with. And now they are in a different environment, have to meet new people. It's kind of hard on them. And especially on your children. They will never have the same friends group growing up. But that's just the nature of the military. You just have to get used to it. I know it's unfortunate for the kids, but that's just the nature of the military, man. In my opinion, the only good thing that comes out of moving in the military is that you get compensated. And you get compensated a lot. From mileage to the food that you eat. And all those boxes and stuff that you see me packing in the back of this truck right now, I'm getting paid for that. So that's the only good thing that I see that comes out of moving in with the military. Between me and my wife, we got this truck packed and unpacked real quick. That's why it really pays to have a fit wife and a fit family. I wish God would just continue to bless her so she can help me move in the future. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, just feel free to post them in the comment section below, and I'll answer your questions. I'll either make a video or just directly answer or reply to your comment. Hope you enjoyed this video and watch it to the end. Alright, don't skip through it, watch it to the end. Oh, before I forget, if you're in the military and you plan to stay a very long time in the military, which means you have to be moving a lot, refrain from buying heavy bulky stuff, because that will make your moving process so much harder each time you move. This is day 2 of packing the truck up. We have a lot of space left for the rest of the stuff, so it's been good. We pack it like sardine, and we're just gonna move the rest of the stuff in and shut this truck down and hit the road tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning. Yep, almost done. So we're about to hit the road. It's now 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, let's go. here in Alabama. Let's see what Alabama got. Just go and double check to make sure that everything is still secured, everything is still firm. Okay, so it's the same thing going down for an hour and a half. Trees on both sides of the road. You got farms, we got fields, and occasionally you will see some nice houses, but that's about it. That's just, I guess it's just where I am in Alabama. Look, it's just trees all the way down. But I'm still excited for this opportunity though, and I'm looking forward to it. A little nervous, but you know, expected, still excited. Almost done. Alright, so we just got done with everything. I'm about to return this truck and then shower, and then that's it for the day. I'm going to sleep. Yeah, but take care and thank you for watching the video. See you next time.